From the 2nd of the 5th month of 1437, we are relating this on the 6th of the 3rd month of 1443. The Living Word, book's Spiritual Exercise, lesson 12 of the Ecktream 2 Discourses, and What's Next Letter. The Ecktream 2 Discourses, page 276, has a graven image of a middle-aged woman sitting in a chair at a desk, writing in a blank book with a pencil. The curving down of a lighter background over her may imply that she is a medium, but it is just as likely that it can represent composing the details of one's own ascent. That is not always a ladder straight up or a shaft. And so, in a way, we personalize our spiritual life, right? We're not entirely a blank slate. We have there's a framework, but what we do with that framework is sort of like a blank slate in a way. Huge